Hey everyone, I am going to do a hands-on for inline policy. Okay, so I have come up with a scenario, a very nice use case scenario, guys, and this is I have taken from real world use case. I have used this scenario in real world, right? And you will get these kinds of requests when you work as an operation team member or when you work as an admin or AWS engineer, right? So application team, here's the scenario. Application team creates a following request to cloud operation team and assume that you are cloud operation team. Developer, his name is Sam, needs a temporary read access to specific parameter in AWS secret manager. When should we use inline policy, guys? That's very important. When you want to help the developer or a user on spot and that particular request is specific to one user, not specific to number of users or a group of users. What you will do, you will attach that inline policy, and when work is done, you will simply delete that user. That policy will also be deleted because you all know that inline policy work with one-to-one mapping. That's the key difference, okay, between AWS manage, customer manage, and inline policy. All right. So let me get into the console. First, what we need to do, guys, we need to create a secret in AWS Secret Manager. Do not worry, we will talk about Secret Manager later. But for now, our intention is to focus on IAM and that too inline policy. Let me create a secret just to tell you. Secret Manager is a kind of vault where you keep the database password and important secret. And it has the functionality you can share the code, and without seeing the actual secret, developer using the code directly retrieve the secret from AWS Secret Manager. Okay, let me type a secret name here, password, and password is password $#12345. That's okay. This is the password, database password, and key is database schema, and schema name is sysadm. Okay, let's click encryption key. We are using default encryption key. Next, now we need to give a secret name. Let's write test db parameter. Okay, click next, and let's click on store. Now if you refresh it, here is your secret. Okay, and this secret keeps the database password and schema of the database. Now what we need to do, we need to create a user. Let's create a user. His name is Sam. Let me quickly create it. Okay, so first let me create the user, and then user is created. So for example, Sam user is created and this user does not have any policy attached. Now what we need to do, you have the user, click on user, click on add permission. Can you see there is no policy attached with user Sam, right? Click on add permission, and here you can see create inline policy. Okay, click on JSON, and now you need to create inline policy. What is the service we need to select here? Of course, secret manager. Secret manager, and Sam should be able to list secret, describe secret, and get secret value. As far as resource is concerned, let me select all the resources. In real world, you will specific to a specific resource, you will provide the ARN number of that resource. But for now, for demo purpose, let's provide asterisk here. Let's click on next, and let me write inline for Sam for secret manager. Create policy, and we are good, guys. Now I have the URL with me. This is the URL. So what I will do now, I will get into the console. This will take a couple of seconds. Now Sam is getting into the AWS console. Shit, testing. Let's directly get into the secret manager, and using the inline policy, so what I need to type here, secret manager, right, as a Sam, because I have logged into console as user Sam. I can see it, guys. Test DB parameter, let me click on it, and if I click on retrieve secret value, I should be able to retrieve it. My intention was to show you how to use the inline policy, guys. Now this activity is done. User Sam is now aware of this secrets. What you will do, let me get back to the admin console. What I will do, I will simply delete this user. And this inline policy will also be deleted. Alright, this policy is gone. Now user Sam won't be able to access anything here. If I refresh it, there is no user Sam. Okay, cannot attach because of the cache. I'm still into the console. If I refresh couple of times, I'll be thrown out. You can see it. So this lecture was specific to inline policy, guys. Generally, we do not let developers see the secret. Programmatically, they access the secret, right? But just to show you guys, I gave the console access to developer Sam, and just to give you a demonstration. But otherwise, in real world scenario, programmatically developer will access the secret. You just attach the inline policy. Alright guys, I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.